Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to do the bell ringer assignment or any other assignment document that we put on Shobi. So you'll see that if you click on the weekly bell ringers assignment and you go to shared items, this is where Stacy and I will communicate with you and give you the assignments. So right now we've got the bell ringer document right here, and I've also recorded myself reading the bell ringer. So if this is something you would like to listen to while you read it, go ahead, just press play and it will be my voice just reading the document. To fill out the bell ringers, you'll click on the bell ringer and you'll be able to edit it up here, and I'm just going to show you a couple easy ways to correct these sentences. Okay, so first of all, you can make it a little bit bigger with this magnifying glass. And then what will be a really easy thing to do is either you can use your pen and just simply correct over, kind of like we do on the board, or you can go to the text box and you can make a really small text box, maybe like a 12. Click here and just rewrite it. Okay, and then when you click away, it will have the rewritten text box right here. Okay, so you can write it right under it, you can write over it, doesn't matter. And then you'll just click done when you're finished, and then effectively you will turn in your assignment. And that's it.